How to use ChatGPT for higher education. As a language model, ChatGPT can be a helpful resource for higher education in several ways. Here are some tips for using ChatGPT for higher education. 1. Research. ChatGPT can be used to conduct research on various topics related to your coursework. You can ask ChatGPT for information on specific topics or for recommendations on reputable sources of information. 2. Study support. ChatGPT can help you prepare for exams or assignments by answering questions about specific concepts or providing examples and explanations. 3. Writing assistance. ChatGPT can assist you in writing papers or essays by suggesting ideas for topics, helping you to develop a thesis statement, and providing feedback on your writing. 4. Language learning. ChatGPT can help you improve your language skills by providing translations or examples of how to use certain words or phrases in context. 5. Tutoring. ChatGPT can serve as a virtual tutor, providing personalized feedback on your coursework or answering your questions about specific concepts. It's important to keep in mind that while ChatGPT can be a useful resource, it should not be the sole source of information for your coursework. Always double-check information and use multiple sources to ensure accuracy and comprehensiveness. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. 1. Research. Google Scholar, a search engine for scholarly literature, including articles, theses, books, and conference papers. 2. JSTOR, an online library that provides access to thousands of academic journals, books, and primary sources in various disciplines. 3. ResearchGate, a social networking site for researchers to share and collaborate on research, with access to millions of research publications. 4. Study support. Khan Academy, a non-profit educational organization that offers free online courses, lessons, and practice exercises in various subjects, including math, science, and humanities. Quizit, a study tool that allows you to create and share flashcards, quizzes, and games to help you memorize information. Coursera, an online learning platform that offers courses and degrees from top universities and institutions around the world. 5. Writing Assistance, Purdue OWL, an online writing lab that provides guidance on various writing topics, including grammar, style, and citation. Grammarly, a writing tool that checks for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors and provides suggestions for improvement. Hemingway Editor, an app that helps you improve your writing by highlighting complex sentences, passive voice, and other issues. 6. Language Learning, Duolingo, a language learning platform that offers courses in various languages through interactive lessons, games, and quizzes. Lingo. An online language school that offers live classes with native-speaking teachers in various languages. Memrise, a language learning app that uses gamification and spaced repetition to help you memorize vocabulary and phrases. 7. Tutoring, Check Tutors, an online tutoring platform that connects you with certified tutors in various subjects for one-on-one sessions. TutorMe, an on-demand tutoring service that offers live sessions with expert tutors in various subjects. Wezant, an online tutoring marketplace that allows you to find and book private tutors in various subjects and at various levels.